Hey everyone, I have some really exciting news here at the Florida Center for Hormones and Wellness. You know those forms that you fill out all the time, particularly the patient surveys? You know what? They really help us focus in on what's bothering you and allow us to give you that personalized, directed care, address your symptoms and not just numbers on a piece of paper. That's been our theme here all along, and I know you understand we've driven that into you time and time again. But you know what? We get feedback all of the time that those things are, let's say, a little bit of a pain in the ass. So let's look at it this way. We've developed the Wellness Matters app. This is going to give us the same information, but it's going to be a whole lot more easy and a whole lot more fun to do. You know what? Just by clicking into the app a couple of times in between your visits, we're going to actually be able to see how you're doing on an almost real-time basis. Then if things come up, you might even be surprised we give you a phone call. But at the end of the day, if you log in enough to the app, you're going to find out that we're going to have all of the information that we need at your next visit. And that's going to help us really focus in on exactly what's been bothering you since you were here the last time. If you do it enough times over the course of that interval, you're not even going to have to do any paperwork anymore. So there's tremendous benefit to the Wellness Matters app, to us, to you, the patients, and to elevating the quality of care that we can deliver to our patients, our clients, the people that we love and we want to get the best results for. So you want to know what? We're going to be launching this app over the next few weeks. We want you to pay really close attention to it, and I want you to get really excited about it, because not only is it going to make your visits easier when you get here, it's going to give us better information that's going to allow us to give you far better medical care as we go along. So when you get asked to take a look at the Wellness Matter app, please do so. Please join in. Please log in. Please sign in. Please keep it current. And you're going to find great results are going to get even better when you're attending to the app and giving us the feedback that we need.